Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a VPN to view different movies and different TV shows on Netflix when your show that you're looking for just isn't available in your region. As I get into this, if it does work for you, let me know in the comments down below, smash the like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Here we have Netflix, okay, and as you can kind of see, I've got these kind of things on my home screen for Netflix, right? And there's some interesting kind of stuff here, things I'm gonna like, and obviously the old guard too, being the kind of #1 video or movie to kind of be watching, at least according to Netflix. Now, the problem that we have is maybe we want to watch something, a show that maybe isn't actually available in our jurisdiction. So everyone kind of tells you, just use a VPN, but how do you go ahead and do that? Well, there are many different providers. I have no affiliate links for these guys, so there's nothing down below. But let's say, the two most common that you probably come across are things like Surfshark or NordVPN. Now, I'm going to use NordVPN because I have that one installed on this machine, but I also do have Surfshark, but it doesn't really matter. A VPN is a VPN. Now, here in Dubai, this is kind of what I see on the screen, right? Now, if I bring up my NordVPN here and I go ahead and head on over to the United Kingdom, via the VPN, you can see that nothing has changed, right? It's still kind of looking like it's trying to load. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically close off Netflix here, okay, and then I'm going to reload Netflix. Now, that closing and reloading, what Netflix is doing is it's checking my IP address to see whether or not I should have content that's delivered from Dubai or content that is delivered from the United Kingdom. And sure enough, I have this disclaimer right up here, which is stereotypical United Kingdom. Anyway, we know that everything has changed. It's now got this special Taylor versus Serrano, right? And we can see down here, we still can see the old guard, but it's not in that top spot that it was before. So this is the United Kingdom's version of Netflix then. Okay, so I can watch content now that is from Netflix. Now, if I come back to my VPN here and we just do a search maybe for the United States, which we can see right down here. If I go ahead and now move over to the United States, come back over to our Netflix, I have to close this down and then relaunch Netflix, and this time it's going to give me all of the content that's available over in the United States. And again, you can see this time we have this same banner at the top. Everything is the same down here, but we do have some slightly different content that's being promoted over in the United States right now versus what is actually over in the United Kingdom or over in Dubai. Okay, so again, I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to close Netflix down. I'm going to this time head on over to something like Cyprus. Okay, we'll let that connect, and then we'll go over to Netflix again, and we're going to get now content that's only available in Cyprus. So again, we get the same header here, we scroll down, we end up with slightly different stuff available on our screen, and again, this is now content that is specific to what is available over in Cyprus. So if you're struggling to find something, the best thing to do is probably Google what jurisdiction that particular program or movie is actually showing in, and then actually head on over to your VPN and basically connect to it. When you do this, that basically then puts you in that jurisdiction. You basically quit Netflix, reload it, and you are good to go. And there you have it, guys. It's actually, and honestly, that easy. You can set up your VPN on your mobile devices, your phone, your iPad, or your desktop, and basically just switch to the region that has the TV show or the movie that you are looking for. If this works for you, let me know in the comments down below. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you all in the next one.